What's up, tech enthusiasts? Today we're checking out DocuWare, a leading document management system in 2020. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, managing documents efficiently is crucial, and DocuWare promises to deliver. We'll break down its features, pricing, and see if it lives up to the hype. Stick around for the demo. DocuWare is a comprehensive document management platform that excels in digitizing and automating business processes. The system is built for scalability, meaning it grows with your business, whether you're handling a few hundred or millions of documents. One of the key strengths is its intelligent indexing, which uses AI to categorize and tag files for quick retrieval, no more wasting time searching for lost documents. The cloud-based setup ensures accessibility from anywhere, and the offline mode is a lifesaver when internet connectivity is spotty. Collaboration is smooth with real-time editing and version control, so teams can work together without confusion. DocuWare also shines in compliance, offering features like automated retention policies and secure shredding to meet regulatory requirements. On the downside, the interface, while clean, might feel overwhelming at first due to the sheer number of features. Pricing isn't transparent, so you'll need to contact sales for a quote, which can be a turnoff for some. Despite these cons, DocuWare is a top contender in the document management space, especially for mid-sized to large enterprises needing advanced automation and security. And that's our take on DocuWare. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Got questions or experiences with DocuWare? Drop them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in.